As technology continues to evolve, we, the people, need to keep up with it. This year, Confess aims to evolve with the people. And the thing about evolution is, it's made up of gradual growth in many aspects. There's always a place for growth, there's always a place for contribution. How about you? How would you like to contribute? Would you like to manage Confess?
Fundraise Confess,
Craft unforgettable events?
amplify Confess message,
Be part of Confess backbone?
curate Confess aesthetics,
Establish new partnerships?
operate Confess,
Nurture Confess culture?
cultivate Confess academy,
Or perhaps you have a knack for competition?
whatever it is you're looking for, we have a place for you here. In Confess, we work in harmony with empathy and empowering curiosity. Whatever you choose, however you like, you are helping the people move closer towards technology.
Be part of something big. Be part of something significant. Be part of Confess.